Yes, I'm okay.
What is it?
See, I want to tell you something.
Come on. Eh?
Listen to me. I want to tell you something. You see this man that you are seeing here? This man is evil. Stay away from this man.
Evil?
For the last time. Stay away from this man. This man that you are seeing over there is an evil man.
What are you saying? Which one is an evil man? But you are blind now.
You will be doubting me. But what I'm telling you now is that this man is very, very evil.
You are blind.
Man.
Can you see anything?
I can see. But what I'm telling you now is just that this man is evil. Stay away from this man.
Baby, come and help me now. Eh? Please. Wait. Come on. Yeah. Easy.
Thank you.
Can you go now?
Yes, I can go.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can go. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Stay away from this man. Stay away from this man. This is the last one. Stay away from this man.
Do you know, babe? Anything you want to eat, order. I'll spoil you.
Oh my God, that's so sweet.
That is me.
Oh my God, my stomach.
Babe, what is it?
You know I'm on my period.
Oh, that is normal thing for ladies now.
Yeah, sure. This is serious, oh.
Hey, don't worry, let's go to the house.
Eh?
Let's get to the house.
Okay, let's go to the house.
Let's go to the house so you can take.
No. Baby, I have to go to that hotel down there.
But you almost...
No, I can't continue. No, please, let me go there and know what is wrong with me.
Okay.
This is too much.
Okay.
Wait for me, please.
Okay, no problem. What is this again? This lady with this...
What is that? I don't understand.
See, let me tell you something. Listen to me. You see that man that you are seeing over there?
Okay.
He's an evil man. It's better that you stay away from that man.
Are you okay? That man have been my boyfriend for 5 good years.
I know that it has been your boyfriend for 5 good years, but what I'm telling you now is that I'm saving your life.
I don't understand.
Please, stay away from that man. And let me tell you something now. Eh?
What?
If you are going back to that place now, just listen to him. He's making a call. One call like that. Just listen to that call. Focus on that call. You just hear him talking with another group of people about you.
Are you sure of this thing you are saying?
I'm telling you the truth.
No problem. I'm going there to see and listen to him talk.
What I know is that be careful.
I don't know you, but no problem. Let me go and do what you said.
Be careful.
Bye.
Be careful.
Hello, John. John, see, just prepare. We are coming now. See, I'm with her, but we want to ease ourselves. So he's coming now. So you know what to do. Just prepare. If you just see both of us, just grab her from the back. And you know, don't worry. Is it for the money? Don't worry. The money. See, the money is already on my account. See, immediately grab her. Just after I finish, then I'll transfer the money to you. But do you know what Baba need? Baba need the breast. The breast. That's what Baba need most. So please, I don't want any mistakes. Yeah? Just make sure you did a clean job. You understand? Comes for your payments, that one is never a problem. Immediately you finish doing what I asked you, then I'll transfer the remaining balance to you. Yeah? So let me check on her. You understand? We are coming now. Jesus! Babe. How long have you been studying here?
Long enough to know everything you discussed.
What do you mean? Okay, it's John, my friend. I'm calling about that goat that I told you.
You are very stupid. Give me my bag, Gosiso. Nonsense man. So this is who you are. And I'm there swearing for you.
Babe, it's not what you think. I'm discussing about the goats I asked John to buy and kill and slaughter. I'm not talking about you.
Do you know you're very stupid? Like, I stood at your back, I had everything, all your discussion, and in my presence, in my front, you're still lying. What did I do to you? Why do you want to like buy meat, for them to cut my parts, saying that it's breast that Baba needs?
Baby, I'm not talking about you. It's not what you think. I'm not referring
Stop
to you.
lying. For the fact that you are lying is making this thing so disgusting.
Baby, how do you think I'm lying?
You are lying.
I'm not lying.
I had everything. I had it all. You want your... Oh my God. I'm so disappointed, but no problem. Thank God for that man.
Which man?
If not for that man, I don't know what could have been of me by now. Maybe by now they will say that I followed you to when we will travel together. They will not know that you have pied me already. Thank God my God is alive. Look at me! Look at me. I don't want to anything. You see this thing now we are calling relationship. Now I know why you don't even want to marry me. For 5 years in relationship, you are telling me today, tomorrow. If you ever come close to me or call my phone, I'll get you arrested. You see this thing that happened today, I recorded it. If you ever come close to me or close to where I work or dial my number, you hate what I'll do to you. Here, we cut everything that is between two of us. Nonsense. Ritualist. Wicked ritualist. Nonsense. Look at him. Looking like what I don't know. He goes.
Jesus. What is going on here? Which Baba? Which man? He's talking of. And the only man we see is that blind man. Which man is this? Hey. What am I going to do now? Jesus.